Hello friends, I am Professor Sanjeeva Shankar Dubey and I'll be taking you through the very important course called Management Information System. Management Information System is one of the core courses which is taught in the business schools all over the world. And I have been teaching this course for last 15 years. I have taught more than 10,000 students, and you will find this course very interesting because this lays the foundation of information system for you to understand and how you can deploy it in the organization. We will be starting with module 1, where we will give you some introduction of the management information system. Module 1 will have 4 sessions. The first session will be talking about the fundamentals, where we will be discussing about how to exploit the MIS, and the second session is about the business and IT alignment, how business and IT can work together to achieve the objectives. The third one is what is the role of MIS in the organization. That is what we will discuss in our session 3, and fourth session will be about MIS planning. Now we are starting session 1, where we will talk about fundamentals of MIS. MIS is a very involved subject. It has got people, process, technology and data. These are all put together that forms the basis of the information system. MIS involves the use of technology to collect insightful data that facilitates decision making, and that is why this system is very important for any business. So if you summarize this MIS in a short form, MIS is information system is equal to information technology, organizational processes, people who use it, strategy and society. We have added a strategy and society because without having a long-term game plan and without considering the impact on the society, any information system will not work. Now let us play with this word management information system and try to find out new meanings out of various combination of these 3 words: management, information and system. The first combination I will be sharing with you is information system for management, which means that in MIS you define what are the information system the management at different levels will be using it. It will require systems for operative level people, middle manager people and the top management people. The second combination will be system of information management. How do we create a system? What type of data we take? How do we process that data? What type of technology we'll take? All that will be considered in the section system of information management. The third section is management of information system, where what you do is that the system which you have created earlier based on the needs defined one more step earlier needs to be managed and operated upon. This will have how are you taking the backup, how are you preventing security breaches, how are you taking care of unauthorized access. So all that will be covered under management of information system. Now these 3 combinations together form the basis on which the entire course is built. So we will talk initially about what are the information systems for the management, then we will look at how to create information system, and then the third step is how to manage the information system. So all these 3 parts are very important to understand the MIS in totality. So what is the benefit of MIS? Suppose we do not have a management information system, what are we going to lose? The first benefit is that it supports the processing of information for the benefit of the management. What is information processing? We will have a lot of facts, but that facts need to be converted into those information on which we can take action. Then second benefit is that it enhances the organization performance by providing suitable insight. If the organization knows which are the points where it is not performing well, where are the areas where the customer is unhappy, then management can take action, and that is where the role of MIS comes in to give useful insight. Third one is it lubricates and streamlines operations. Most organizations work through proper information at the right point and the right time, and that is only given by MIS. And the fourth one is it helps in making better decisions and informed decisions. Once you have got a proper data, you can take the correct decisions, and these are the benefit of the MIS. Suppose we do not have all this, then in that case we will not be having information to take the right decision. organization will be working very slow and sluggish because information is not reaching at the right point in time, and your management is not going to get the suitable insight based on which they can take some useful decisions.